Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix WhatsApp notification sound. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's jump right in. I'm on WhatsApp right now and say that I'm getting a message and it's not showing up with the notification ring, or I'm not getting notified at all, or the sound has just gone. It was there before, or maybe it's never been there. I'm going to walk you through how to fix that. First, you want to go to your WhatsApp like I'm on now, and then go to settings, the bottom right hand corner, and then we're going to go to account. Actually, we're going to go to notifications, and here's where all the notifications are. So at the very top, it's going to say show notifications. If that's off, then you're not going to get them at all. So you want to make sure that's toggled on. On top of that, you want to make sure that your sound is not on none. It's on, one of the defaults or a different one of your choosing. Then from there, we want to go out, get out of WhatsApp, and we're going to go to our settings. And then we're going to go to notifications on our side in your app or in your phone. You're going to find WhatsApp. Mine's at the very bottom, so if you click on that and this is off, that means no matter what your app settings are in your WhatsApp, if this is off, your phone is not going to allow the notifications to come through. If you want to make sure that's toggled on and that sound is toggled on, and then if all of that fails, your next step is to just kind of reset the app. It's probably a glitch on their end, so to do that, we're gonna go to our settings again. We'll go to general, iPhone storage, and then we're going to go ahead and find our WhatsApp. Click on that and we're going to offload the app. Offloading the app doesn't do anything to your specific account data, but it does reset the groundwork of the app. So if there's any glitches or anything like the sound problem, it will reset. It's just like you deleted the app from your phone and then re-downloaded it from the app store. So it's kind of just resetting it and freeing up the storage and space in your phone. So we'll let that reinstall right now. Alright, so it's just reinstalled on our phone and we can go back and we can go to our app and it should be working fine. You can go to your settings, go to notifications, make sure everything's back to appropriate settings, and you'll be good to go. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon in the next video.